In this video, I want to talk about how you can use Webull as a beginner. Now you can download the app on your phone, you can download it on your desktop, or you can use the website version. Now if you're on your PC, I suggest that you just download the desktop app, but I'll also quickly show you how to use the website version. So you just want to open up your account and you want to make sure you fully open it, otherwise you cannot make trades. Unless you want to do just a demo account, then it's no problem. What you want to do is head over to the web trader, and inside of here you should have the options, stocks, markets, and the screener. So options is for options, stocks is for stocks. The markets will show you all of the markets, and you can search up here. It will show you top losers, top gainers, and stuff like this. Now the screener here is where you can filter everything. So you can select anything here and you can filter it by how you want, and you can find them from in here. If there's anything, you can double click on it if you want to check it. Now, this is for paper trading. Paper trading is just a demo account. You can type in here and there will be some widgets up here that you can open if you want to. What you want to do then to make a trade is you want to find any stock that you want to buy. Then what you want to do is simply press on the buy or sell over here and type in how much you want to do. That is basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.